Hello everyone, today I show you how to completely disassemble iPhone X and replace back cover. To disassemble the iPhone X, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers and open plastic tool, and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I left link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. To replace the case of iPhone X, you need to completely disassemble smartphone. After disassembling, you will need to reassemble everything back. And to not get confused in various screws, I recommend using a magnetic mat. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the charging port with a Pentalobe 0.8mm screwdriver. Take any hairdryer and heat the surface of the screen for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the section cup at the bottom of screen and pull the ring up. Next, take a plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display module from the iPhone. The case of iPhone X opening like a book. Open the display to the right side. Using a driving 0.6mm screwdriver, unscrew 5 screws and remove the metal panel. Under the metal panel you will see cables. The first is disconnecting the battery cable and then disconnecting the 3 display cables. Unscrew the 7 screws and remove the GSM antenna. Unscrew the screw between taptic engine and speaker. Remove the metal panel and unplug the cable. The speaker glued to the iPhone case. If you want to save adhesive tape, heat surface with a hairdryer. Unscrew 1 screw and disconnect the cable. Now you can remove the taptic engine. Now you need to remove 4 adhesive tape from under the battery. Take tweezers and catch on the edge of the silicone tape. Gently and slowly pull the silicone tape away from the battery. In the same way, remove the remaining 3 silicone tapes. hit place where the cable glued with a hairdryer and gently peel off the cable from the iPhone case. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal bracket. Disconnect all cable from the motherboard. Unscrew 3 screws from the motherboard. Now you can remove the motherboard and main camera from the iPhone X case. All remaining cables you can reinstall on new iPhone back cover. To do this, heat the surface with a hairdryer and reinstall it on new back cover. In the description under the video you can find a link where you can buy new back cover for iPhone X. Let's begin to the reassembly. Install the mainboard, connect the cables and fasten 3 screws. Install the camera, then install the metal bracket and fasten 2 screws. Install the Face ID module and connect 3 cables to the motherboard. The battery must be glued to the case. For this you can use similar adhesive tape, or if you don't have silicone tape, you can install the battery on double-side tape. Please note, the double-side tape is glued only on the metal part of case. Don't glue the battery to the wireless charging module. Install the Taptic engine into the smartphone case, fasten screw and connect the cable. Install speaker into the case and connect the cable. Set metal panel and fasten screw. Install the GSM antenna and fasten 7 screws. The iPhone 10 assembled, and now you can connect the display module, test how smartphone works, and begin to the final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. To test the iPhone, you need to connect 3 display cables and after the battery cable. Turn over the display, but do not close the case, just flip it. Turn on the iPhone and check how the smartphone works. If everything is working properly, let's begin to the final assembly. Remove old glue from iPhone case. Using medicine alcohol, wipe the iPhone 10 case from the old adhesive tape. If you want to restore the water resistance of your iPhone 10, you need adhesive tape like this. Of course, you can assemble your iPhone 10 without this adhesive tape, but this makes no sense because this adhesive tape costs only a couple of dollars. In the description under the video you find link where you can buy this adhesive tape. Connect 3 display cables to the motherboard and only after connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten screws. Turn over display and press it to the case. Fasten 2 screws near the charging port. Install the tray with the SIM card. Now you can turn on your iPhone and use it.